You know, monster truck racing has always been a very safe sport. As a matter of fact, one of the safest of all motorsports. But every once in a while, a problem does arise. And what you're looking at right here is a door that was part of a rollover. Bob, tell us a little bit about that and the reconstruction of this vehicle behind us.
Okay, this is Bigfoot 6. Kenny was driving a few weeks back in Kansas City at Arrowhead Stadium, involved in a race, and he tried to take a corner a little bit too fast. He was handling the corner fine until his inner tire caught a bale of hay, and it pitched him over. What you're seeing is Bigfoot 6 is going to get a new body. It'll probably be done in about a week.